Constitution of India is the backbone of our democracy. It's not just a legal document, but a set of principles that define how our country runs and how we live together. It protects our rights, ensures justice, and provides a framework for governance. From the freedom of speech to the right to equality, the Constitution guarantees that every citizen is treated fairly and equally under the law. Creating the Constitution was a monumental task. Constituent Assembly was formed in 1946. It took nearly 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to draft, and Constituent Assembly met in hundreds of sessions. The members discussed, debated and finally tuned every article to ensure that it reflected the needs and aspirations of the Indian people. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. He led the drafting committee.
Visionary women played an important role in shaping the Indian Constitution. Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India, was a strong voice for women's rights and social reforms in the Constituent Assembly. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, India's first women cabinet minister, worked on the policies that impacted women's healthcare and welfare. Durgabai Deshmukh, a passionate social worker, advocated for the rights of women and marginalized communities. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, the first woman president of United Nations General Assembly, pushed democracy and human rights. These women not only contributed to the Constitution but laid the foundation more inclusive and just India.
Imagine a country with no constitution. Without it, there would be no guaranteed rights for citizens, no rule of law, and no protection for vulnerable. Our democracy would crumble. The voices of people would be silenced. Fundamental rights like freedom of speech, equality, and protection from discrimination would be absent, leaving citizens vulnerable to exploitation. The Constitution is what ensures that India remains a country where everyone's rights are upheld and justice is accessible for all. The Indian Constitution is more than just a document. It is a soul of our democracy. It gives us rights, protects our freedom, and unites us as a diverse nation. On Constitution Day, let's remember its importance and vow to protect the rights it guarantees for future generations.